Hi friends, welcome back to math. Today we are going to be practicing number stories again, but with subtraction. So let's read our objectives. Say, I can solve number stories. Good. Today we're practicing subtraction. Can you say subtraction? Subtraction is when we take away. Can you say take away? Awesome. For today's lesson, you are going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, and crowns. So find those things right away. If you need to, pause me so you can gather your materials. Good. It looks like you're ready. We're going to begin with a song called Subtraction Action. We've sang this one before.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's songs, make your brain and body strong. Subtraction, action, this is how you play. Move your body and take away. When you subtract things, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction, move and have fun. 4 bald eagles are gliding through the air. 2 bald eagles fly down and land somewhere. How many bald eagles are gliding through the air? 4 minus 2 equals 2. 3 alligators are swimming in the lake. 2 alligators go on the grass and take a break. How many alligators are swimming in the lake? 3 minus 2 equals 1. 10 fast runners are running in a race. 5 fast runners finish at record pace. How many fast runners are still running in the race? 10 minus 5 equals 5. 8 bodybuilders are pumping up some weights. 5 bodybuilders stop and take a break. How many bodybuilders are still pumping up some weights? 8 minus 5 equals 3. Subtraction, action, this is how you play. Move your body and take away. When you subtract things, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction, move and have fun.
Great
If you
job.
like this video,
So as
sure
a
to give it a
reminder,
thumb
when we subtract,
out.
we take away, and our numbers are going to get smaller because we're taking away. I'm going to go first. These problems are going to look a lot like yesterday's problems if you did your math assignment, but yesterday we were adding, we were joining together. Today we're subtracting and taking away, so don't get confused. All right, to understand a number sentence, first you have to read the number sentence. You have to think about some important words. Then you have to decide subtraction or adding. Today we're all subtracting. Then you have to draw the picture, write a number sentence, and solve the picture. That's a lot of steps. So I'm going to step in and pretend to be a kindergartner. I want you to watch what I say and do, so at the end you can answer some questions for me, okay? All right, I'm stepping in. Okay, first I have to begin by reading the number sentence. It says, I bought 7 cups of coffee. I gave 4 cups of coffee to my friends. How many cups of coffee do I have left? Let me think of the important word. Oh, it says I gave some away. That means we took some away. That means we have to subtract. Now I'm going to draw a picture to match this word problem. All right, it says I start with 7 cups of coffee. So I'm going to draw 7 cups of coffee. When I'm drawing the cups of coffee, I keep double checking that I only draw 7. I don't want to draw too many or too few. 6, 7. All right, I'm going to show you. my 7 cups of coffee. It says I gave 4 cups away. I took 4 away. So to show that, I'm going to put an X on 4 cups of coffee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you now. There. Now I have to find out how many cups of coffee I have left. Well, the coffee with an X on it is gone. So I have to count the cups of coffee that don't have an X. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 cups of coffee left. Now I have to write a number sentence. I started with 7 minus 4 equals 3. 7 minus 4 equals 3. I have 3 cups of coffee left. All right, friends, I'm stepping out. What was the first thing you saw Miss Murphy do? That's right. I had to read the number or the word problem to you. Then I had to think about something. What did I think about? You're right. I had to think about the important words. I said, I gave 4 cups of coffee away. That means I took some stuff away. So that led me to believe that we were subtracting or taking away. Then I had to get out my paper, my pencil, and do something. What did I do first? Yeah, I drew the 7 cups of coffee I started with. Then what did I do? You're right. I put an X on the 4 cups of coffee I gave to my friends. Finally, I counted how many cups of coffee didn't have an X. What was last? Yeah, I wrote a number sentence. 7 minus 4 equals 3. And I don't just say 3, I can practice using my words and say 7 cups of coffee minus 4 cups of coffee equals just 3 cups of coffee. Good. Now let's try some together, friends. Get out your pencil and your paper. First, remember we have to read the word problem. Since we're still learning how to read, Miss Murphy will read it for you. So you listen. There were 7 squirrels sitting in a tree. 2 squirrels ran out of the tree. How many squirrels are left in the tree? All right, step 2, we have to think of important words. I'll read it one more time. There were 7 squirrels sitting in a tree. 2 squirrels ran away out of the tree. How many squirrels are left? You're right. You heard those words, ran out or ran away. That means we're taking away. Can you say take away? Good. So step 4 says we have to draw a picture. How many squirrels should we start drawing? Yeah, 7. Draw 7 squirrels on your paper. Just like yesterday, this can be a quick draw. Don't forget to count and make sure you're only drawing 7 squirrels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I'm going to hold up my 7 squirrels. Do you have 7 squirrels? Okay. It says that 2 squirrels ran out of the tree. So what should we do now? You're right. Put an X on 2 squirrels. So pick up your pencil. Mark an X on just 2 squirrels. Should look like this. Now we have to count how many squirrels don't have an X. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squirrels don't have an X. Now we can write our number sentence. Okay, how many did we start with? 7. Minus, how many ran away? 2. Equals, how many are left in the tree? 5. Good job. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Great job, friends. Now it's your turn. Remember to listen to the word problem, think about the important words, subtract, draw a picture, write a number sentence, and then solve the problem. That's a lot of steps, but you can do it. Okay. There are 13 flowers in the grass. You pick 3 flowers and give them to your mom. How many flowers are still in the grass? I'm going to read it again. You listen carefully. There were 13 flowers in the grass. You pick 3 flowers and give them to your mom. How many flowers do you still have in the grass? I'm just going to sit here and wait for you to solve this problem. 13 flowers. You pick 3. Pick 3. How many flowers are still in the grass? I like how I see you starting to draw to solve the problem. 13 flowers. Great. You pick 3 of them. So what are you going to do with 3 of those flowers? How many flowers are still in the grass? Did you write your number sentence? In the media recording, you'll hold it up and show me how many flowers are still in the grass. If you're not done with this one, pause the video. If you are done, we're going to move on. I made 10 paper hearts. I gave 5 of my paper hearts away. How many paper hearts do I have left? So this is a new problem for you to try. All right, I had 10 paper hearts. I gave 5 of them away. How many hearts do I have left? You should be drawing the word problem. 10 hearts. You give 5 away. How many are left? Write a number sentence. You're doing a great job. Good, it looks like most of you are done. If you're not done, pause the video right now. If you are done, in a moment you will do your media recording. You had 2 problems to show me. The first one was with the flowers. The second one is with the paper hearts. In the media recording, you'll say, Miss Murphy, 13 flowers minus 3 flowers equals, and then you'll say 10 hearts minus 5 hearts equals how many hearts? Okay? Don't forget to practice using your words to tell me how many are left when you subtract. Boys and girls, today we practice solving subtraction number stories. Thumbs up if you understood subtraction number stories. Thumbs to the side if you feel like you need more practice. Thumbs down if you weren't sure what to do today. Good. I see a lot of thumbs up and a lot of thumbs to the side. When we're back in person, we'll definitely be practicing more subtraction. But for the most part, you did a great job taking away and showing how many were left. Boys and girls, you're done with your learning for the day. If you would like to do more, you can always do Waterford, ABC Yeah, or Starfall. I hope to see you back at school tomorrow. Bye now.